Here we have some ordinary drinking water with us, and we will put a small drop on these building materials in order to find out which side of these materials has been treated. As we put this drop on this brick surface, you would see this is what you would normally expect, that the water gets absorbed inside the brick. While we do it on the other side, you would see that the water droplet is not only not penetrating inside, but it is running off from the surface. Now let us do the same thing with the plaster block. We put a few drops on one side of the plaster. Now let us try to do this on the other side. As you see, there is no water absorption on this side. Now let us again do the same thing with the fly ash brick. You see the water getting absorbed. Now we shall do it on the opposite side. You can visualize the difference between a treated and an untreated surface. Here we have a small concrete block. Let us presume that it's raining and the block is going to completely get drenched with water. We'll try to dip it inside the water and let us see what happens. Here you will see that the untreated side is getting wet, whereas the treated side remains dry. That is the difference between a treated and untreated surface. Now we will take out samples of this treated soil. Here we have a small quantity of yellow soil with us. We have some quantity of black cotton soil. This soil is supposed to be highly water absorbing. And here we have a sample of treated sand. Let's make a small indentation on the surface so that it can contain and absorb water. Now let us see what is the effect on the soils when it comes in contact with water. As you can see on this yellow soil, we have kept a small drop of water on top of this. Here is the black cotton soil. And here we have ordinary sand. As you would observe, there is absolutely no absorption of water by these soils. After the soil test, here we have a real life-size brick with us. You will see that there's a grooving in the middle of the brick. One side of the brick we have treated with our organosilane nanotechnology, and another side is left untreated. Now we would do a time test on this sample and would see how capillary rise of water affects on this particular brick. We would make a pool of water in front of the brick and allow it some time and observe what are the changes that are taking place. So now we go back to the brick which we had submerged underwater. As you recollect, we have one side of the